Structured Query Language, or SQL as it's commonly known, is the universal language for talking to databases. Think of a database as a really organized warehouse full of information. SQL is like the set of instructions you use to find, add, change, or remove items in that warehouse. It's a powerful tool that helps us manage and manipulate data effectively. SQL is used everywhere, from small businesses tracking inventory to giant tech companies managing billions of user profiles. It allows us to ask questions of our data like, what are the top selling products this month, or how many users live in New York City? By using SQL, we can gain valuable insights from our data and make better decisions. Learning SQL opens up many possibilities in the tech world. It's a fundamental skill for anyone interested in data science, software engineering, or data analysis. And the best part, SQL is surprisingly easy to learn, even if you've never coded before. CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update, Delete. These 4 words represent the fundamental operations you can perform on data within a database. SQL provides specific commands for each of these actions. Creating data means adding new information to the database. Reading data is like retrieving information from the database. Updating data involves modifying existing information. Finally, deleting data removes information from the database. These CRUD operations are the building blocks of interacting with databases. Mastering these operations empowers you to manage and manipulate data effectively using SQL. SQL is primarily used with relational databases. Relational databases organize data into tables with rows and columns. Think of it like a spreadsheet, where each row represents a record and each column represents a specific attribute. Popular examples of relational databases include MySQL, Oracle PostgreSQL, and Microsoft SQL Server. These database systems are used by businesses and organizations of all sizes. They rely on SQL as their primary language for communication. Whether you're working with MySQL, Oracle, or any other relational database system, the SQL commands remain largely the same. This consistency makes SQL a highly versatile and transferable skill in the world of databases. SQL commands are organized into categories based on their functionality. Data definition language, DDL commands, are used to define the structure of the database, like creating tables or defining relationships. Data manipulation language, DML commands, handle data manipulation, such as inserting, updating, and deleting records. Data query language, DQL commands, are used to query or retrieve data from the database. Data control language, DCL commands, manage user permissions and access control. Transaction control language, TCL commands, manage transactions, ensuring data integrity. For instance, the following SQL query retrieves all customer names from a table named Customers. SQL select customer name from customers. This simple query demonstrates how SQL can be used to extract specific information from a database. By mastering various SQL commands, you gain the ability to perform complex data operations and extract valuable insights.